Hello and good morning to all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you all for tuning into my videos. In today's video, what we'll be seeing is a mixture of stuff that I've put together, whether it be here, as you can see, how I do my roughening. Um, so the video will consist of many different work I've done. So please stay tuned till the end to see everything that I've put together in this video. And I also hope that you guys enjoy the video, enjoy the work that I'm doing, and continue the wonderful support that you've blessed me with throughout the 2 months I've been here with the channel. And just stay tuned to the video and enjoy. As you can see, this is mostly the starting stage of the job, where I basically roughed in the job to code. Um, you'll see how I like to do my roughening and how I like to place my wires. As I said, this video is going to be entertaining, and you'll see a lot of my work that I do on a daily basis and how I go about doing my job. Also, you'll see how I use my laser. Um, so you'll also see my heights for my boxes will all consist to be the same height, as it's very important to make sure that when you're roughening and you place your boxes, like I said, everything's to the same height as once you're finished with the roughening and the drywall's done. You will basically see everything that's going to be a mistake. It will show once the drywall is finished. So it's very important to make sure that you keep aware, you make sure you're aware of the mounting heights of your boxes, the installation of your pop light plates, whether it be the installation of your bathroom fan, whatever it may be. Just make sure that everything is dead on and spot on. So what we have here is basically inside the basement, inside of the theater room. So you can see all the speaker wires that are hanging, as this room will be equipped with speakers for the surround system and all the good stuff, along with the LED strip lights on the top. I will also have all of that. This room will also be equipped with a sink and a little mini bar in the back. As you can see, this is the theater room where they're going to be having their chairs. I'm going to be installing LED strip lights along the side here. Also, it will be consistently throughout the theater room. So the theater room is going to be full of fun. A lot of speaker wires on the side also. And it's a pretty large entertainment room. Then what we have here is basically a mixture of pictures that I've put together and videos of work that I've done throughout the time. So this is basically the ceiling of the house I was working on previously before I started this job. As we wind down to the video, I would like to thank all those who have supported me and continue to watch my videos and my live streams. So please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. I will catch you guys on the next video.